The summer is coming to an end already. It was such a short summer, or it feels that way anyway. But this is my favorite time of the year, and it is harvest season. So we're always looking for new and exciting plants to wildcraft. And several years ago, I discovered how we can use this Cornus Canadensis, otherwise known as bunchberries or crackerjacks or creeping dogwood, which you'll often find growing in a lit area of the forest or on the forest edge. And the berry itself is not overly palatable as it contains a large stone. However, it's very high in pectin, and it's high in antioxidants due to the bright orange color that we have here, and it's very healthy, but the pectin is all connected onto the stone inside of it, and it's very difficult to remove that stone. However, like I said a few years ago, I will link that in the description box below, I played around with these berries a little and discovered how to make my own powdered pectin, as the commercial pectins often are genetically modified or they are highly refined. So having your own pectin powder for making your jams and jellies that's high in fiber, high in antioxidants, and absolutely free, as it comes from a natural source that you can wildcraft, is fantastic. So all you do essentially is you want to pick a good few of these berries. You want a nice few because when they dry they will go down in size, so looking around for a nice patch. And then I just dry them in a basket in my windowsill and toss it once or twice a day until the berries are completely dry and contain no more moisture. Then after that, just throw them in, the dried berries, throw them in a coffee grinder and grind them to a powder. And that way the seed, the skin, which is full of antioxidants, the seed inside, which is full of fiber, as well as the pectin, will be ground into a powder and then added to your jams and jellies, which is actually quite healthy, much healthier than the commercial pectins that are available on the market. And it's a fun project that you can do with your kids. Get out and pick some of these Cornus Canadensis plants, dry them, and make your own pectin powder. I hope you enjoyed this little wildcrafting tip of another great useful plant. I will post some link to the information on how to properly identify Cornus Canadensis and the benefits of this fantastic wild edible plant.